Hello guys, review smartphone Realme C2. This version 2GB RAM memory and 32GB internal memory. Diamond black color, open box, look completion. In completion we have documentary, adapter for charging and micro USB cable. Okay. Device made of plastic, on the back side double camera and LED, on the front side 6.1-inch display, left side slot for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory, wall keys, on the right side power key, downside micro USB port, speaker, microphone and headphones jack, HD plus resolution display, IPS, Android 8, ColorOS 6. This launcher. Open Geekbench 5, talk about system information. Load. Test. CPU MediaTek Helio P22. This octa-core processor 4+4 cores, CPU speed 1.7, 1.5 and 2 GHz. Look results. GPU Mali GE8320. Okay, this CPU test results. Open Antutu benchmark, look Antutu benchmark score. Antutu benchmark score. Device support, display support 10 touches. Okay, and open demanding game GTA San Andreas. Look how GTA San Andreas work on the device. Start game on the max graphic level. Oops. Game load and works good on the max graphic level. Okay, close this and open camera. Main camera 13 plus 2 megapixels, and now I'll show you photos on the main camera. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.